What's up, Forest fam? Today I'm showing you how a real Yeti cooks gourmet in the wild. Step 1. Only the freshest organic ingredients straight from the ground.
You've probably seen those short AI-made videos online. They are very fun and interesting, so people love to watch them. Many of these videos get millions of views, and the pages that share them can make thousands of dollars. Videos like Yeti, Bigfoot, Orange Cat, and ASMR cutting are doing extremely well. They are getting millions of views on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Check out this ASMR cutting video channel called Star Zap ASMR. This channel has millions of views, and almost all of its videos go viral. And it's not just this one, there are many more channels like it. Let's look at their earnings. The channel makes almost $17,000 per month. Impressive, right? Now, let's take a look at the Orange Cat channel. This channel has attracted millions of views, and the numbers are truly impressive. Every video gets watched by thousands, sometimes even millions of people. This channel has earned over $100,000 and gets a huge number of viewers. They are doing a really great job. Now check out the Yeti Bigfoot vlog. This vlog is going viral on social media right now. This type of video shows Bigfoot sharing funny moments and thoughts through vlogs, which creates a strong connection with viewers. This channel also has millions of views and earns almost $5,000 per month. So, if you want to create any type of viral video, you can do it. AI video generators can make the videos for you, and you can find tons of ideas online. But no one really tells you how to write the right prompts that make videos go viral. Of course, a good prompt helps create better videos. In this video, I will show you how to make prompts for these 3 types of videos. We will use ChatGPT and need to use the ChatGPT Plus version. If you can't afford the subscription, you can create multiple free ChatGPT accounts instead. First, we will create a prompt for a Yeti Bigfoot video. Go to ChatGPT and, in the prompt box, upload an image of Bigfoot. This image will represent your Bigfoot character, so you need to choose it carefully. Make sure the image is detailed, full size, and clearly shows the face. In the prompt box, ask ChatGPT to describe his outfit, his expression, and his personality. You can also ask about other details like hairstyle, color, and skin tone. Now click Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you the detailed prompt. The prompt ChatGPT shared is in list format, but I need it in paragraph form. So I asked ChatGPT to rewrite it as a paragraph. Now you need to enter this prompt into ChatGPT. You can find the prompt in the description box or add it manually. Here, you need to add the idea or concept for your video. Now ask ChatGPT to add Bigfoot's outfit, color, and other details to each scene in the video prompt. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, your video prompt will be ready. ChatGPT added the character description to each part of the video scene. This trick will help maintain the character's consistency. It's not 100% accurate, but it still works. If you have a video 3 subscription, you can use frames to keep the character consistent throughout the video. Now copy the first prompt and go to Flow. You can also use Gemini, but Flow works really well too. Click on Create with Flow. When you enter Flow, click the 3 dots in the prompt box and choose Text to Video. If you have a Video 3 subscription, you can select the Frame to Video option. I am choosing Text to Video. Now click Generate and wait for a few moments. Your video will be ready soon. Now create the second scene by following the same steps, using the second prompt. Follow the same process to complete the rest of the video. Now let's learn how to create an effective prompt for an ASMR cutting video using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and upload an ASMR image you like. You can choose one from other videos or search for it on Google. Now ask ChatGPT to analyze the image and create a detailed prompt. Now add this new prompt. You can modify it as needed. It's just a demo prompt in the example. If you don't want to change anything, you can keep it as it is. Click Generate, and in a few seconds you will get more prompts with unique ideas. Now copy one of the prompts you like and go to Flux. In the prompt box, paste your chosen prompt carefully. Once you have added the prompt, you can make small edits or adjustments if you want to improve it. After that, simply click on Generate, and Flux will start creating your video based on the prompt you provided. In just a short time, your ASMR cutting video will be ready. Now let's create the viral orange cat video prompt. Go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt into the prompt box. This prompt describes a series of scenes about a big, fat cat's daily life. The idea is to keep the same cat character consistent, but place him in funny and interesting situations. For example, the fat cat could be fishing by a river, shopping at the supermarket, buying vegetables at a market stand, cutting vegetables in the kitchen. I asked ChatGPT to help me create a prompt for a big fat cat character, and then build a series of prompts around it to tell a short story. Then ChatGPT gave me a series of prompts, each starting with that same exact cat description to ensure the character would stay consistent in every generation. This is how you can create video prompts easily for making viral content. Remember, stronger prompt ideas help make your videos more eye-catching and attractive.